Today we're going to build our 5-shelf slot and lock unit. We've actually got 2 in this range. This one's our larger version, which is 1200 wide shelves, and it can actually hold quite a bit more on shelf capacity as well. So each shelf can actually hold up to 175 kilos evenly distributed. The frame's in black powder coated steel, and there's 5 terrific MDF shelves. You can actually make this unit 2 different ways as well, which we'll show you. Either 5 shelves high at 1.8 metres or as a side-by-side workbench. Let's see how it goes together. And here's our parts list. So we've got 5 shelves, 1200mm long. We've got 8 uprights because they're in 2 pieces with 4 joiners. There's 5 shelf supports that I'll show you how to use today. And there's also our side arms, our front arms, and we've got some great little feet just to protect the floor from being scratched. The only tool you'll need today is a mallet, and I'll be wearing safety glasses. Let's have a look how it goes together. So standing up the upright, you can actually space the shelves wherever you like. I am going to put my base on the lowest one. Just give that a little tap, and then we'll put the side one in and do the same thing. We're now putting on the second shelf, which will actually be in the middle of the unit, and we put that one on 1 hole down from the top. So that hole there we leave as a spacer for the joiner that we'll put in next. Now that we've put our second row of beams in, we're going to put our joiner in. Just give that a tap, and then we'll be able to extend our arms up. And the second part of our upright. For the shelving unit that we're building right now, we've chosen to centre the shelf for both sections, the top and the bottom. So if we put it on the 11th hole down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll use that one there, and that'll give us the middle line with the 22 holes. And for the bottom section, there's actually 18 holes with the way that we've spaced them today. So we'll use the 9th hole. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once we've put all of our shelf arms in, then we've got our 5 centre shelf supports. And what we actually do is bend that tab to 90 degrees at both ends. And then that one will simply slide in through the front, like so, and do the back at the same time. And we've got these great little feet that'll just protect your floor from being marked and keep the unit just that little bit more stable. Now it's time to put in our 5 shelves. What you'll actually notice is on one side of the shelf there's a mitre, and when you clip them in, that'll actually stop the corner from breaking, so that's why they're designed that way. So we'll start at the base. Okay, so we've just built our slot and lock shelf unit, the 1800mm higher version. Right before you now, you see how we've actually divided it into 2 units because that's one of the options. So we can set it up like an L shape or as a straight unit, one with 3 shelves, one with 2 shelves. Or we've got its larger version, which actually has a 1200mm shelf. Exactly the same construction, except for one component. There's actually 2 shelf supports per level rather than one. So with our 900mm shelf unit, you can hold up to 100 kilos per shelf, evenly distributed, and our 1200mm you can actually hold up to 175 kilos per shelf, pretty much because of the 2 shelf supports. Comes in a great black powder coated steel with MDF shelves. Thanks for watching.